This is SimBa, the simulation of a bank. It serves during Bearning workshops to model bank management in the current environment. Bearning training participants prepare first their bank strategy. Their expectations can be inscribed in balanced scorecards. Based on their strategy, they offer customers new prices on products, different types of loans and deposits. The SimBa model divides clients and volumes for relevant products based on offers from every team. It will take into account the correlation between products known as the cross-selling effect. The teams then check their balance sheets, profit and loss accounts, key ratios, for example, equity, or the EVA indicator. If assets and liabilities are not balanced, trades in the money and capital market are available, along with deposits, repo deals with the central bank, or the government bond market. During the decision-making of individual transactions, participants have at their disposal risk management, interest, liquidity, risk calculations using value at risk, and loan provisions. Finally, they examine their overall results, including product margins. The saved results will be used as a basis for a strategy for the next period. SimBa allows to simulate bank management, product pricing, managing key ratios, managing assets and liabilities, and also managing bank risks. After the SimBa training, participants perfectly understand the relationship of the bank and its functioning.